Welcome to our another episode of cooking. And I just want to tell you guys a story. This year around January, I told myself that we will buy a house this year. And then I just focus on what I want, and then by June of this year, it manifested. We already had a house of our own. It's a 3-bedroom house with 2.5 bath. And actually, way back January, I didn't know where will I get the money, but I guess the power of manifestation is true. And I just wanna let you guys know so you guys will be inspired to on reaching your goals in life. Okay, I will be showing you some of the parts of our house, and I hope you guys will watch this video until the end. And also we will be cooking breaded pork chop level up. Once again, hope you guys enjoy this video. We just got our 3-story house and we're going inside. Okay. This is a small sala and has a yard. This is the garage. And we're going upstairs to the second floor. This is the toilet on the second floor. And a big sala over here, our kitchen where we will do our YouTube channel, and this is the laundry area. There you go. Now we're going to the 3rd floor. Here you go. We got 3 rooms on the 3rd floor. This is, I guess we'll do this as our computer room. We got another restroom on the 3rd floor. And lastly, we got our master's bedroom. It has its own restroom, shower area, and this is the walk-in closet. Welcome back, my dear dearest viewers, today we will be making breaded pork chop level up. So we have here our pork chop. We washed it already and then dried it with a towel, so our ingredients would stick to it well. First, we will put salt to it, like 1 teaspoon of salt. Or you can add more, it depends on your taste. But usually 1 teaspoon is enough. Just make sure you incorporate it well. And then we will add like 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Make sure you mix it well too. Make sure we rub it to our pork evenly. Okay, next we will add like 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, just to add a little spice to our pork. Okay, make sure you rub it well too. And then we will add like 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Or if you like your breaded pork chop to be really spicy, you can add more chili powder. It depends on how spicy you want it to be. This is like a mild spice, just to add a little kick of spiciness to it. Okay. Next is we will beat 3 eggs. Now the eggs will just bind our breadings for our pork chop. Now we will dip our pork chop in flour, and then egg wash. Make sure that it is fully covered. Now, panko bread adds texture, crunch to our pork chop. Okay, then the same procedure again. Dip our pork chop in flour, and then egg wash. And Panko bread. Make sure it's fully covered with Panko bread. Again, repeat the same procedure until we have all of our pork chops covered in breadings. We haven't cooked our pork chop yet, but it looks really delicious and it tastes good. Now that our pork chop is fully coated with our breadings, we will sprinkle in some sesame seeds. Okay. So when we fry it, it adds additional crunch and texture to it. Like 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Okay, make sure we distribute the sesame seeds evenly. Cooking oil into our pan. And bring this to boil, and then we will put our breaded pork chop. Now that our oil is already hot, we will put in our breaded pork chop one by one. Okay. And we will cover this one, and we will lower the heat so our pork chop won't get burned. Okay. As you notice, I put space to it because we want our pork chop to be cooked fully inside, because if we overcrowded our pan while frying, so the inside will not be cooked evenly. Okay, you notice that the side down is already brownish in color, so we have to turn it so we can cook the other side as well. Alright, we'll cover it again and we will wait until it's fully cooked. Now we will check if our pork chop is already fully cooked. We notice that the sound of the cooking oil diminish, means that it's good cooked on that side. But we want to make sure that it's golden brown. Okay, so we'll cook it for a few more minutes. Now that it's golden brown, we will remove it and put it in a plate. Put in our 2 more remaining pork chops. Alright, we will cover it and we'll wait until it's golden brown. Okay, once we see that the other side is turning into brown, you can just flip it or turn it, because you don't want it to get burned. And we will wait until the other side is fully cooked too. Now we will check on our pork chops. Now that it's golden brown on the other side too, we will flip it, because I just want its colors to be even on both sides. Alright. And we will give it just a few more minutes. Okay. Now that the sound of the oil, it's kind of diminishing, it means that our pork chop is fully cooked already. Okay. We will put this in the plate and we'll just let some of its oil, the oil of the pork chop, to drain a little. Now, here is our pork chop level up. We will garnish it with spicy garlic. Just on the side, because it depends on how spicy a dish you want it to be. Alright. Now it's time to taste. Alright. It's really crunchy and seasoned well. It's so delicious, like you're eating in a 5-star hotel. Thank you once again for all the viewers, and if you like this video, please click the like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much, and if you want me to feature any other dish, please type it down in the comment below. Take care and God bless you all. All my love for you guys. Bye.